Hello, I'm Akash from Vade Studio, and in today's edition of Vade Tutorials, let's talk about responsiveness. With the exponentially increasing number of screen sizes today, designing for responsiveness is a mess. I mean, how many viewports are you going to define? Well, let me show you how we do it at Studio with layouts. Into Studio. In the resource panel, we have this section for layouts. Now, layouts are essentially just containers for all the elements you throw on screen, each with their own purpose, but let's talk about responsive layouts today. Let's say I want to show some projects. I'll drop in some cards. Let's just duplicate both cards. So I'll just use two more of these. Let's say I did a project on Mercury, another on Venus, and then on our beloved Earth. The inputs we can modify either directly from here or just specify their labels. Let me sorry. Don't and do. Let's say that looks about right for desktop. So what do you do for tablets and mobiles and the gazillion number of screen sizes out there today? Well, nothing, because the responsive layout ensures that depending upon the screen width available, it reorients the content to fit the viewport and makes it as seamless as it would be with all the viewports specifically defined in code. And that's responsive layouts for you. And that's what we have used for all our sections in our website. Do check it out and let us know what you think. You can also check out a live demo of Studio to explore more of it yourself. We'd love to know your thoughts, so drop your feedback on our LinkedIn and YouTube, and we'll get to them right away. See you there.